Good afternoon, tubers. I thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on out here and answer a couple of questions. One of them, the questions, was how much does it cost to run an operation like this? And that kind of depends, and it involves a lot. So I can't really answer that other than I can give you an idea, maybe. Just electric out here, I have that on a separate meter. Just to run the electric for 1 month, last month was almost $2,000 to run 5 greenhouses and the 2 buildings that I have out here. It's pretty expensive. The cost for everything that you see, it's expensive. A pump can run you $300, and I have dozens out here that run constantly. So you got to have backups for all that stuff too. These troughs, they're not cheap. Even the ones that I buy from Lowe's, and I make my own. The ones that you get from Crop King and stuff are $30, $40 each. These are about 12 or more now. So I have 350 in here and over 400 and something over there, and another 200 in the greenhouse. It's a lot of money. The initial cost for a greenhouse can run you $20,000. So it's expensive. I also was asked if I did consulting work where I can help people start businesses. I'm not doing that. That is, I just don't have time. But yeah, I did give you the blueprint on how to start your own business. If you watch my videos, I've got, I don't know, maybe 300-400 of them on YouTube. Watch them. You can build a business from that. I don't give out my nutrient solution because I've developed that myself. It's proprietary, and what I have is superior to what I use and do is superior to whatever's out there. But there are things out there you can use to grow this stuff. But we're updating things out here. I'm painting. You see, this one has yet to be done. This is painted. I'm painting number 3, trying to get it all cleaned up. Gonna replace this floor. I'm working on a kitchen in the cold house, which is where I have my walk-in cooler. The propagation house is getting siding, or not siding, sheetrocked right now. So a lot of things going on. There are a lot of more questions, and I can't think of them right now, and I really don't have time. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update. I hope you all had a great Halloween. Thanksgiving's coming up. Y'all enjoy your holiday season, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Go plant some dirt, some nutrient solution, fish water, whatever you have to grow something, and we'll see you next time. Take care.